Guys, I tried drinking okra water for 7 days again, and what happened will shock you. So the first time I did this challenge, I saw some changes, but this time I added a powerful twist: mint, cloves, and lime. And let me tell you, the results were even more interesting. So if you want to know the results of this challenge, please keep watching this video to the end. The end will really shock you. From digestion to energy levels, cravings, and even how my body felt day by day, I tracked everything. So if you've been hearing about okra water and wondering, does this really actually work? Stay with me because I am about to break down exactly what happened to my body after 7 days, and the results will definitely shock you. So guys, let's dive right into the health benefits of this okra water. Okra water supports gut health and digestion. Okra is rich in soluble fiber, the slimy texture which helps cleanses the digestive tract and feeds good gut bacteria, reduces bloating and constipation. And then the mint added was a herb that soothes the stomach and reduces gas.
I'm freaking out right now.
So secondly, it helps with weight loss and appetite control. So the fiber here keeps you full longer, and it also helps reduce unnecessary snacking and supports calorie control naturally. So this is why okra water works well during fasting or morning routines. So the third benefit here is that it stabilizes blood sugar levels.
Goodness.
So where are all my high blood sugar level people, those with diabetics? Then this is definitely for you. So okra may slow down sugar absorption in the intestines and also helps prevent spikes and crashes. This is very beneficial for people managing insulin resistance and cravings. So the fourth benefit of okra water is that it boosts hydration and detoxification. So okra water is high in water content that helps flushes toxins, and the lime added gives vitamin C and supports liver detox. So the combination of these is hydration plus cleansing effect. So the fifth benefit here is that it improves heart health. Okra contains compounds that help lower bad cholesterol and supports overall cardiovascular health. And then the sixth benefit here is that it supports hormone balance. So the fiber helps remove excess hormones from the body and can support women dealing with hormonal imbalances, especially PCOS, which is the focus of this channel. The seventh benefit here is that it strengthens immunity. All ingredients combo is powerful in this particular recipe. So okra helps as an antioxidant, and the lime as a vitamin C, and cloves antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, mint cooling and soothing effects. So this makes your version better than basic okra water that you find anywhere in the internet. This is exactly why this okra water challenge in this very channel and this particular one is very special because of the benefits and how it was twisted and what it helps for the body, which you should definitely try. So the eighth benefit here is that it improves skin health, and you can actually see it from my glowing skin. So hydration plus antioxidants equals clearer skin, and this helps reduce dullness and inflammation. So if you're fighting with dull skin, poor skin improvement, acne, and name it, you should definitely try okra water, which will help with the cleansing effect, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory and antibacterial with the cloves added to it, which is a twist, will definitely give you a very glowing skin. So many women go for different options for different skincare routines. If you go on the internet, every young lady, old, young, old, everyone is looking out for good skincare routine that actually works. Then if you are looking for a good skincare routine, then definitely you should be able to try okra water, which is the best. By the end of the 7th day, you will actually see the difference on my skin from the very first day to the very last day. And definitely I would try okra water again and again, but this is not easy. It is not an easy challenge, not because it is so difficult, but because if you're that kind of a person whom your taste bud likes to taste sweet things, then this challenge is definitely not for you. But if you're someone who is dedicated, you want to be consistent and see progress in your health, then okra water should be one of the things you should add to your skincare routine. Like I will say, the better it is better to take your gut health very seriously and glow, or you go and apply or buy all the expensive skincare routines and complain that nothing works for you, then definitely it is you that is the problem. So would you be trying this okra water challenge after exposing from my first day to the very last day? And will you be trying this challenge as in general? The last video I did on this channel really actually did well, and it has gotten more than 2k views, and I'm really appreciative, and I thank you all for watching my videos. For those of you who keep watching and coming back and watching my videos, thank you so much. For those of you who would watch and drop a comment and even like the video to cause my channel to engage, thank you so much. For those of you who just watch and engage, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try this okra water challenge. It is definitely a very good try, and these are all the benefits that I actually got by the end of this 7-day challenge. You can see this last day I was glowing. Apart from the little lipstick I have in my face, I don't apply makeup on my face on a regular note, and this is just the natural me and glowing like this. This is how you will look like when you try okra water, and without but believe me, you have to drink this on an empty stomach and also work on your portion control for you to be able to see any results. For those who want to go on weight management and for hormonal imbalances, then definitely this challenge is for you. For those of you who are diabetic, pre-diabetic, this is a good one for you to maintain your blood sugar levels. For those who have high blood pressure, this challenge is for you. For those who have health challenges and you have been battling, you have got health problems and so on, then this is definitely for you. Please do well to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.